Hello everyone, friends on the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to sync your Epic Games library with GeForce Now. To do this, we need to go to GeForce Now itself. So we select the game we need, let's say Resident Evil. Alright. Well, here there's only Steam. Let me find a game that's on both Epic Games and Steam, for example, DBD, I think. Yeah, see that? Select Game Store, Epic Games, click Mark as Own, then click Next. And click Play. There, and after that it will sync with your Epic Games and you'll be able to play. There. But after you log into your account here, the games will appear in your account. Click Agree. There. And that's it. But you can also just go to the menu here, Games, and here, My Library, and click on Epic Games, click Connect, and log into your account. That's all for today. This was Weller. Goodbye, everyone.